Okay, so in another video I mentioned to you guys about basically us going to the dump, which is the transfer station, but at the end of the day, they also have this thing where people throw away stuff that is potentially of value. And you can go and pick it up for free, and you're allowed 10 minutes to basically shop there in this area of free stuff. So Gracie and I found this, and actually it's physically open right now, but it wasn't 10 seconds ago. And then Gracie's like, "Oh my God, we should like totally make a video of this." Yeah. So again, keep in mind this is a free grill that we just got basically at the dump. So anyway, so Gracie's gonna be the camera woman, and I'm gonna take this thing out and we're gonna put it together. We're gonna do our first unboxing. And yes, I sprayed it with Lysol because I want it to be COVID free. But as I was opening it, I was like, I couldn't believe this. You know, it's got all the original packing. And then I opened this, and I'm thinking, okay, this has been in some guy's garage. And this summer's over and they used it. Completely clean, right? I mean, this is just fantastic.
Fantastic, yes.
Bottom, top, so that's that. These are the legs and handle. And obviously, this is, you know, a copy of the original Weber design. Wow. Weber, of course, being the sort of originator of this type of grill. But look at this. I mean, literally never used. I suppose I could sell it on eBay, new in box.
No thanks, we're gonna use it.
But yeah, no, we're gonna use it for sure. I'm gonna need a screwdriver, so I'm gonna grab one of those to add the legs in. So naturally, I'm sure you guys are asking, hey Mike, what kind of screwdriver did you get? And of course I got a Craftsman, duh. Thanks, Dad. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put the legs on, because what I don't see is anything that goes basically in between the legs and the bottom, except, actually, hold on. Because underneath you do, yeah. All right, so.
Yes, that's right.
For safety, we obviously want to make sure that under the charcoal, it catches it. So I'll put this on.
Do you need a hand?
No, I'm good.
Oh, is there nothing that can hold in here?
It'll be 3 of them.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
I didn't expect it to be brand new, really.
I mean, I don't even think the people that put it there, I don't even think they opened the box to even see what was inside, just like we did. I mean, you know, I get that, like, oh yeah, we bought this and we never used it. You know, I mean, they probably, oh yeah, let's buy it, we'll go on a camping trip. Maybe never went on a camping trip, or by the time they got there, they're like, these little grills are lame, let's get a big stainless steel one from Home Depot for $400. Which is not how Gracie and I roll, guys.
Ah, nice one.
So,
I guess I don't like this, how tall this is. So
how
maybe
tall
they
what
expect, they expect it's gonna be more taller.
they could be. I mean, again, this is small. This is for something like, you know, you do camping, and a lot of people, especially in the US, want something very large that they can show off to their friends and be like, look at the size of this grill I got, Bobby. I can do 75 hamburgers on it. How big's your family? Oh, we got the one kid. All right, so that's gonna like kind of just basically sit there, which is fine.
Yes, yes.
At the end of the day, all we want to do is make sure that.
And this one is for the handle.
Yeah, so there's 2 sort of valves, right? And so there's going to be the valve at the bottom, where you effectively.
Oh, so you can close it.
Yeah,
oh,
see, like
nice.
this is, yeah, so at the end of the barbecue, then you close the top, you close the bottom. So that's the bottom, and this is the screws that come with it. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to use this as my, oh, actually, no, hold on. I can use this as the tray, and little container is labeled. So great. Yeah, so vent screws, 2 pieces. And so there you go. Vent screws, 2 pieces. Hinge screw, 2 pieces. Handle screw, so I know what the handle is. Okay, so the handle screw is all the way at the end. 6 pieces is the hinges. And this like clamps it down so you can pick it up and take it around. That's pretty cool.
It.
So vent screw, 2 pieces. So there's 2 vents, which is the top and the bottom. Vent nut, 2 pieces. Handle, the washer's only used for the handle. And it's a Cuisinart, so you know it's good. No, I'm gonna do.
Yes, I guess it's like that. Yeah.
Okay, cool. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bend this just a little bit so it molds a little bit more to the top.
Maybe it will gonna do that when you put it. But when you put the handle in it.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks nice.
I bet it gets loose after a while, but that's okay. Yeah, arguably, I probably should have put this on first.
I believe you can do it.
I do kind of want the Phillips head to be on the outside. So that means I'm not really going to be able to hold the screw. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but I think we'll be okay.
You're good.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, you want to be able to kind of flick. You don't want to have to touch it with your hand. You want to be able to sort of flick it.
Yeah, great job.
Handle screws are all the way at the end. I see handle screws
Maybe
because
you put an extra in it.
they could have put an extra, because hinge screws, there's 6 pieces, and all the way at the other end, there's 2 pieces. So we have 2 extra handle screws. So the bolts go in the top here. Handle nut 2 pieces. They also gave us 3 handle nut pieces, so that's kind of cool. Anyway, so what you do is, this is like basically your wrench. You drop it in there, and then that allows you to kind of use the handle as well, your wrench. Getting it to catch on the thing is not super easy. So that's good there. Can you undo that? Perfect. Thank you.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
That worked.
Yep.
Oh my.
Got the backyard all set up, Ma?
I noticed that right away as soon as we drove in. How did you get the pole in the ground?
So I whittled a little bit of the bottom of it with a chisel to make a point to it,
Oh.
and then I put a piece of wood at the top and hammered it down.
Wow.
Yeah. So now we're just putting together the grill, the other free piece of awesome that we're going to use to make our dinner.
And it's never been, it's not as if it's an old
It's never
one.
been used.
No.
Not even once.
Brand new. Just look at this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, which is nice, so we don't have to clean it.
Right.
Yeah.
So now I have this.
Yep.
Now the next thing is
It's this one.
these
To attach this to that.
go
I guess.
into here.
Do you want to sit down and have your cup of tea out there?
And in fact, we don't even really need this. All this is to hold the top on so we can carry it around. We don't need to carry it around. But
The
that's
top?
okay. Yeah.
Oh, good. It's
Okay.
good to just like put it.
Yeah, I'll
so-
put it all together.
Yeah. So we won't lose it. Yeah, you can see. Ah, that's for the lock.
Mm-hmm. Where is the third clamp?
There's another one? Here?
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
I guess this is what I need in Hamindan.
This would be perfect for Hamandan.
Yeah.
No way we're getting one of these for free in a place.
If we can find again, if there's like this again, we get it, okay?
A swap shop?
Just like new.
Dad, I'm amazed.
It's really new. Yeah.
It really is truly new. I mean,
Yeah,
you know, sometimes you buy stuff at a store and the box is not in great shape, right?
yeah.
And that's the story with this one.
There's the Home Depot sticker on it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Can we return this? We lost the receipt.
Imagine.
I like it free.
I like it. I'm psyched for it.
I'd like to keep it.
We're totally keeping it. Now the parts are cheap. I'm sure China, they make this for less than $1. But the good news there is that we paid less than $1. So this is going to be perfect. What are we going to make? What's the first
Chicken
thing?
kebab.
Chicken kebabs? Perfect. Yeah, we got kebabs. We got these kebabs at the Asian market yesterday for $5.
Oh, I thought it's $3.50 something.
All right, so here's the bottom. Put this in. Charcoal on here. And then your food on top of here. And at some point, if you want to, what you would do
Discover.
is you would take this, you would do this with the side things.
To love. So,
That way you can carry it around.
ah, yes, just carry around. Okay.
So there you go.
There you go.
Hope you guys enjoyed this. We're going to enjoy our kebabs. See ya.
And this is our skewer. Barbecue skewer. See? It will fit like
It'll
that. We
fit.
don't need to close it.
Sure.
Okay. Yep. Done?
Done.